Hey guys, I wanted to show you guys today how to fix a leaking garden hose. You guys have seen your neighbors or you yourself, you've thrown a bunch of these hoses away because you thought that's the end of it because it was leaking. Usually they start leaking like right here on the edge. But the most common issues usually is right here. You just click, no matter how many times you put a washer right here, it just leaks. Same way with this side too. But today I wanted to show you guys how to fix it so you don't have to buy any hose. If you like stuff like this, stick around and I'll show you how to fix a garden hose. Alright, so I have that, I have these, I have this. Those are the things I'm gonna need. I might need a flat screwdriver like it. You can use the other one. And this is just a cutter. This is usually for like, you know, when you're doing like sprinkler system pipes, like drip system stuff, you can use this to cut out those pipes. You can even use this to cut out PVC pipe, like a smaller PVC. And then I'm gonna show you, like, this is gonna be the special part. I'll show you guys in just a sec. Alright, so now your hose is leaking. You can see water right here is leaking over. It's leaking right here and you're so frustrated you don't know what to do with this hose. You're about to throw it in the trash, but you didn't know that there's an option to just fix this instead of going to buy a new one. So I'm gonna show you right now. So let's say this side is leaking. This side is not leaking, but this side is leaking and you wanna fix this side. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut that piece, this piece right here, that usually here. Just take a knife or a sharp blade and just cut it. Just cut it just straight. I like to use this PVC cutter thing because it cuts really smooth, you see? It needs to be really smooth right here. And then once you do that, they sell these things at Home Depot, Lowe's. This one is from Lowe's. It's a 5/8 and 3/4 inches. Female is this side that connects in the wall where your water is coming from. And then there's also, this is the male one, like to fix it right here. All right, so you're gonna go to Home Depot or Lowe's and buy two of these. If it's both sides, if it's just one side, buy the male. If it's this side, you need to fix this side, the threads. If it's a female, if it's the female one, you're gonna buy this side, okay? So now we're fixing the male side right here, okay? Which it looks like this. Once you cut it smooth and it's smooth like that, you take one of these pieces that comes in here. When I take this apart, it comes in this and it looks like that. So you're gonna take this piece first, and this side right here goes inside the hose. So you're gonna try to push it, and just caution, in the winter, if you try to fix this, it's gonna be almost impossible to push this in here. But the easy way is, even now, if it's not too warm that this pipe is loose, you can take it into the, in your sink and just run some hot water on it, and it will make it looser. But this has been sitting outside, so it's warmer. So I'm gonna put this in here like this, push it like in here, and once it's just a little bit in there, you just push it down. You put it down here and push it. Make sure that the hose is, like you can see, it's right at the edge of this, right here. It's right exactly right there. So once it gets to that point, then you're gonna take this piece right here. There's two of them. They look the same. It doesn't matter which one. One side has a hose and the other side doesn't have hose. So this side is where the screws go in. This is just to hold the screw on this side. So it looks like that when you put it together. So you're gonna put one side. It doesn't matter which side you put first. You can put the side that don't have the screws on, and then you put it like that. And then you put it down and just push it just a little bit so it goes right on the edge there. And once you do that, you put the screw in here, 2 screws. And if you don't have a power drill, you can use just a hand screw like this. So don't worry that I don't have any power drill, I don't have any whatever. It doesn't matter. So you put the screw and just screw one side a little bit to hold, and then this side also to hold. If you put one side too far, the other side is not gonna go. So you're gonna have to go a little bit one side and then the other side too. So you put it down here and just keep screwing one side a little bit like that, and then one side, then you move it. And make sure you don't mess up your screws. If you mess a screw here, you're gonna have to go buy a new one, okay? So if you're not good at using the power drill, don't use it. Use just hand screw. So then you can just use your hand screwdriver like that to just tighten more if you want to. I think it's safer that way, so you don't strip the screws. And that's it. And if I can put it down here, I can still see if it can move. There you go. There. And once you screw everything and it's a hose like this, you've just fixed your hose. Look. That's perfect. So it's not gonna leak again here when you plug it into your whatever your water line. Okay. So once you do that, then that's it. So this side will be working. If this side is causing issues, so then you're gonna cut it the same way I did, and you put one of this on this side, the same way we did on this side. It's just that simple. And if you go to Lowe's right now to go buy a hose is about $50, and these things cost about $4 to $5 a piece, so $10. And I have a hose that's working. It's gonna work for a long time. And if it breaks again, you just go spend $5 and fix one on the other side. You don't have, instead of buying a hose. So I have never bought a hose in a long time. So now this is the last part I wanted to show you guys. The common issues is because when you put this on the wall and you're moving the pipe all the time like this, that's when I think the connection here breaks and it start leaking over here, okay? So to solve that, what I've discovered is to buy one of these quick connectors. These are called quick connectors. They're also pretty cheap at Lowe's. They look like this. It's got like it's spring loaded, so if you push it down, like if you push this middle black piece right here down, this piece comes off. And this, once you get that off, you can put this side in here. You just screw it in here, and you screw this on the wall. So every time you want to use your hose, all you do is just push this down again. See that? You push that down, and then you connect this, and it's connected. And there's no water's not going to leak here. And then when you're done, instead of leaving your hose on the wall, just loosen it like that, and so you don't have to, it's not going to break this seal right here for your hose to start leaking. Does that make sense? Again, I'm going to repeat it again. You just push this down a little bit like that, and then it connects, and then the water will come through into your hose, and this side is fixed, and so you have, this side goes into your sprayer, okay? You could do the same thing on this side too and put one side into your sprayer and then one side here. So both, the sprayer has a quick connector and this side also has a quick connector if you want it, okay? So that's basically how you fix your hose. And if you have any question and you want me to repeat something on here, let me know and I'll do it again. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.